Just one more shift. In, then out.
Night shift?
Yes.
Busy load tonight. Keep a steady pace.
The machines are louder tonight.
Aren't they every night?
Don't slow down.
Don't make a mistake.
How long have you been on this shift?
Long enough to forget the daylight.
It's jammed.
Leave it. Don't stop the line.
Is it only midnight, or has it been too long already?
Do they see us? Or just the numbers?
Move a little faster.
Yes.
You okay?
If I stop, everything still runs. Just one shift, but it feels like a lifetime.
Careful. I see it! Faster. It's always like this.
Maintain the pace.
It's only 2 a.m.
This shift is really long. Every shift is.
Damn, that was close.
Don't make mistakes.
One mistake is enough to lose your job.
You okay? Just one slip.
It's crowded here, and yet you're still alone. Am I living or just enduring? Just a bit more.
You don't stop, so it never stops it either. At this point, my body does it for me.
Keep it like this. Fewer lights. Fewer people, too.
Just get past this point. Stay calm. Don't make a mistake.
There's always someone above.
How much longer?
I don't know, just keep working.
Even resting is just to come back. A little faster.
Yeah.
Yep. Am I here or somewhere else?
The night shift is running fine.
If I disappeared, would they even notice? It's almost morning, and my hands are almost out of strength.
Don't slow down. I know.
Tốt.
Good for them. But what about me? Still going.
There's no room for weakness here. You okay? Okay.
It may slow down, but it never stops.
Is it morning already?
Giáng nốt.
I'm used to being exhausted. Almost done. Almost done with the shift, but not with life.
My body knows it's about to stop.
This round and we're done.
Yeah.
Im lặng, nghe lạ quá.
The night shift went fine. Dismissed.
This stretch is always the longest. Tomorrow, I'll wear it again. I'm still me, right?
Get home early.
Yes.
It's daylight now.
In the daytime, it looks gentler. Do I still have enough strength to drive home? Silence finally arrived. Arrived.
Another shift is over.
But tomorrow, it's still there.
One person, one shift, and a whole life ahead.